A new statement called match statement has been introduced in Python 3.10. So if you don't know about it, this video is definitely gonna work for you. I'm gonna teach you about match statement in this video. If you're coming from C++ background, probably you know about switch statement. Well, this one is just similar to that one, but anyways, doesn't matter. You're gonna learn it right here. So bear with me. I'm gonna teach you this with a very simple example. So I've simply initialized a variable with its value 5, and I'm gonna simply use the match keyword and pass the expression here followed by a colon, and inside of that we're gonna define some cases. Each case will hold a value and the expression will match with each case. So whenever the expression matches with any of the case, then that corresponding case will be executed. Its body basically will be executed. So suppose the first case right here is 10, and I simply want to print 10 alphabetically. So that's it. This is your first case. You can have a single case or multiple case, it doesn't matter. So suppose I have a next case and it's holding a 1. I just want to print out 1 here. So this is the second case right here. Then I have a third case and simply it's holding suppose 50. It's holding 50, and I just want to print out 50. That's it. So this is it. All the cases will be matched with the given expression, and whenever a case matches with the expression, then that case would come into play, and that case will be executed. And if none of the cases matches, then simply we can have a default case which is simply represented by an underscore, and simply you can type something like this is our default case, right? This is default case. So that's it. So if none of the case matches, then this default case must be executed. It's somewhat like if else structure, if you know about it. So it's basically like that. But let's run this code. I want to keep this its value 10. So I would like to run this code and see what I'm going to get in output. So guys, as you can see down here, I got 10 because the case value is 10. So basically the expression matches with this case. So that's why this case was executed, and the rest of the cases were being skipped because the value because the expression doesn't match with other cases. So that's why it picked up this case, the first case. So if I replace its value with 1, so it's gonna print sorry, I didn't save it, so it's gonna print something else. Yes, 1. So now the second case just came into play because the expression is holding 1 right here. It's 1 right here, and the case is also holding 1. So that's why it printed out 1 here. It executed this case, and rest of the cases were being skipped. So let's keep it 50, and let me run it again, and I got this case right here right now. So this is how it works. So if you keep x value something else that is not defined inside of those cases, suppose 100, if you keep x value something else except 10 150, then it's actually going to get into the default case. So if I run it, I get this one going. Do some practice. If you got any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. And that was all for now. See you next time.